Squirrel! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Here, Squirrely Whirly! Here, Squirrely Whirly! Roysbedoys, don't feed the squirrel! Oops! I dropped the popcorn! See? It likes the popcorn. That wasn't so bad, right? Let's drop some more. That does look kind of fun. Look! More are coming! All done! No more! Shoo! Shoo! Bye-bye! Look! More animals are coming! What else can we feed them? I mean, drop! How about the marshmallows? Marshmallows? I don't think they'll eat that. Would you eat marshmallows? Oh yeah, you do have a point. See? They love marshmallows! Look! Even more are coming!